Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are studying maths of second standard. In previous video we have learned subtraction from number itself and subtraction any number from 0. In this video we have to solve the subtraction checking subtraction by using addition. So let's come on page number 38. Practice code. Question number 1. Check your subtraction using addition. Question number A. 84 minus 59. 84 minus 59. First of all, we have to solve subtraction. Okay. Then we will solve addition. Okay. Then we will check our answer by using addition. 4 minus 9. We can't subtract 4 minus 9. So we have to take one borrow. This 4 converted into 14. Okay. And 8 converted into 7. So you can write 14 in the box, not out of the box. Okay. You have to write 14 in the box. Okay. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. So you can write like this 5. And 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. The answer is 25. 84 minus 59 is equal to 25. So in this subtraction we have taken one borrow from 8 from 10th place. This 4 converted into 14 and 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Then we subtracted from 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Answer is 25. We have to check our answer. Our answer is correct or not. So we have to add of 59 and 25. The first number 84 is median and 59 is subtrahend. 59 is subtrahend. And the last is 25 is the difference between 59 and 84. So we have to add 59 and 24. Subtrahend number and difference number. So we can write 59 and 25. 9 plus 4 is equal to 14. 1 is carry. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. Answer is 84. And answer should be median. The answer should be median when we will check our answer by using addition. So in addition the answer is 84 and answer is same of median in subtraction. So you can see 84 is correct. So our answer is correct. Next question number B. 53 minus 18. First of all, we have to subtract 18 from 53. So 3 minus 8, can we subtract? No, we can't subtract. So we have to take one borrow. This 3 converted into 13. Correct? This 5 converted into 4. Because we have taken 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay? Subtract 13. 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Okay? And 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 53 minus 18 is equal to 35. And you can see we have to use like this sign. Okay? This sign is come to the first number 35. So we can write 35 first number, because we have to add of subtrahend number and difference number. Okay, this 18 will be 18. Okay, so add 35, 18, 35 plus 18, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 1 is carry. Okay, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, and you can see our answer is correct. 53 is same as million in subtraction. Okay, our answer is correct. Okay, 35 plus 18 is equal to 53, and 53 minus 18 is equal to 35. Okay, next question, question number C. 68 minus 29. 68 minus 29. So we have to take one borrow, because 8 is greater than less than 9 number. So 8 converted into 18. This 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Correct? And 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Answer is 39. 68 minus 29 is equal to 39. So 39, we have to write 39 in the first position in addition. So this 39 will come in the first 39. 29 will be same in second position. Okay, and we have to add 39 and 29. 39 plus 29. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 is carry. 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 68. 39 plus 29 is equal to 68. And you can see 68 is the correct answer in addition. Okay, 68 is same as million in subtraction. So our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. Next question, question number D. 90 minus 50. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0, and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Answer is 4. So 40 is the difference between 50 and 90. 40 is the difference between 90 and 50. So we have to write 40 in the first position in addition. 40. We have to add 40 and 50. 50 is same in second position. And answer should be million. Answer should be million. So we are checking our answer. So add 40 and 50. 40 plus 50. 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 5, 9. And you can see 90 is the answer in addition. So 90 is same as 90 in subtraction as million. 90. Okay, our answer is correct. Okay, let's come on word problem. A shopkeeper bought 67 fruit juice packs and sold 45 of them. So how many juice packs were left with him? A shopkeeper bought 67 fruit juice pack and sold 45 of them. So how many juice pack were left with him? So we have to subtract 45 from 67. Okay, because 45 is sold from 67. Okay, so number of fruit juice pack bought 67. Number of fruit juice pack sold 45. So subtract 67 minus 45. So subtract from first place. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Answer is 22. So number of fruit juice packs left 22. Thus we can say that 22 fruit juice pack were left with the shopkeeper. Okay. He has sold 45 from 67 and 22 fruit juice pack were left with the shopkeeper. Okay. Next, practice coach question number 1. A vendor sold 54 mangoes on Monday and 72 mangoes on Tuesday. So how many more mangoes were sold on Tuesday as compared to Monday? A vendor sold 54 mangoes. How many? 54. We are writing on a screen, you can see 54. And on Monday and 72 on Tuesday. So how many more mangoes were sold on Tuesday as compared to Monday? And we all know that 72 is greater than 54. So we can say he sold 72 on Tuesday. So what we will do? We can use subtraction or addition. Subtraction. From which number? 54 from 72. So first of all we will write 72 and minus 54. Okay, because 72 is greater than 54 and 72 he sold 72 mangoes on Tuesday and 54 mangoes on Monday. So subtract 54 from 72. Can we subtract 4 from 2? No. These 2 converted into 12. These 7 converted into 6. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. And 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So 18 is the difference between 72 and 54. Okay, 18 is the difference between 72 and 54. We can say that he sold 18 more mangoes were sold on Tuesday as compared to Monday. So we can write 18 more mangoes were sold on Tuesday as compared to Monday. Next question. 60 students enrolled for a school trip. 42 students turned up for the trip. How many students did not go? So total 60 students enrolled for a school trip. 60 students. There were total 60 students. And only 42 students turned up for the trip. Okay. So we have to subtract 42 from 60. And remaining students will be that student did not go. Okay. So 0, we can't subtract 2 from 0. The 0 converted into 10. Okay. And this 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. And 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay. So 18 students did not go for trip. There were 18 students did not go. Okay. They did not go. 18 students did not go for trip. Okay. Next question, last question. From page number 38. Arav has 90 shells and he gives 66 shells to his sister. How many shells are still left with him? Arav has 90 shells. How many? 90. So we can write 90 like this. Okay. And he gives 60 shells to his sister. How many? 66. He gives 66 shells to his sisters. So how many shells are still left with him? So we can write 90 minus 66. We have to subtract 66 from 99. 90 from 90. Okay. Can we subtract 6 from 0? No. So we have to take one borrow. This 0 converted into 10. This 9 converted into 8. Okay. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Answer is 24. Means there are 24 shells still left with him. There are 24 shells left with him. Okay. So we can write 24 like this. 24. Okay. Like this. 24 shells are still left with him. 24 shells are still left with him. Okay. So in next video we will see fun with maths and revision station. Jazakallah.